It looks like somebody thinks I'm faking my lockpicking videos. Well, let's settle this right now. It all comes down to this lock right here. Let's take a look at the video that's causing the fuss. This is the Master Lock 930DL HPF. It boasts maximum security and maximum pick resistance. A quick look on Master Lock's website and we can see that it retails at $45.43. It's also a contractor grade padlock, whatever that means, but what Master Lock don't tell you is that this padlock can be single pin picked in around 15 seconds. Do you think that $45 should buy you better security than that? Please let me know in the comments. And Lockman Den did let me know in the comments that he thinks it's not true at all. He then went on to say that those padlocks carry mushroom pins which make it very difficult to manipulate, let alone pick in 15 seconds. Not true, it's probably rekeyed with all 0000 and regular top pins. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the lock and the key. There's the standard key that came with the padlock. That works just fine in there, nothing suspicious about that. Nothing suspicious at all. Let's see if we can get into it in around 15 seconds using exactly the same tools. Got the timer ready. Let's go. Oh, there we go. We're in. Let's press stop. So under 10 seconds that time. And we'll just have a look inside this to make sure there's nothing suspicious in there either. I know you can get easy hard locks and hard easy locks, so this could be one of the easier ones, but it's just the one that I bought. Okay, so there's the core. Unfortunately, it is crimped on the side just there and just there, so you can't get the actual core out. What I can do is slide the key in and we can make sure that all the pin chambers are populated, which they are. So what do you think? Do you think this is dodgy and there's something set up about this padlock? Or do you think it's genuine and I did actually manage to pick it in time? Let me know in the comments what you think. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day.